Hi friends, I know I work with some of you in class on Touch Math to help with your addition and subtraction. So today I thought I would make a video to review some of those skills that we worked on with learning our touch points. So here you see where the touch points are on each of the numbers. And if you saw me in class, I gave out strips with the numbers for you to keep at class and to keep at home. So I just wanted to take some time to review how to touch on the numbers. So each number you can see has a number of touch points on them. The first 5 numbers have single touch points, and then numbers 6 through 9 have some double touch points, and some have some single touch points. So if you can see my arrow, you touch on the dot and you count, and the number has the same number of dots on it that the number is. So 1 has 1 dot, and you click here, you touch with your finger on this dot and say 1. So for number 2, you say 1, 2. Number 3, you say 1, 2, 3. 4 is 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 6 starts the double touch points. So the touch points kind of go down the back of the 6 here, and you can see they look like donuts, and that's to show you to touch inside and then outside. So there's 2 touches per touch point. So you would say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now number 7, the touch points go down the back of the 7, and then there's one that's kind of like a nose on the 7. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is how we do number 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then 9 is the trickiest one because it has a lot of touch points. You start down the back like the 6 and the 7 go on the top of its head, and the sign of is like a nose or a mouth. So watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So once you practice your touch points and you learn where they go on each of the numbers, that can help make adding and subtracting much easier. So to start practicing and learning your touch points, we can start practicing with the numbers 0, 1, 2, and 3. So all you need to do is know where the touch points go on those numbers. So the way to practice that would be you can practice writing the numbers out and then putting the touch points on. Now I have this pretty cool digital sheet that you can move. Oh, maybe you can't. Hold on. Let's try this. You can move the touch points on and say 1, 1, 1. And then for the 2, you would say 1, 2, 1, 2. And this is how it would look. Get my pen. I have a pen where you could, oh, let me try again. Hold on, guys. I'm glad you're so patient. Okay, where I can draw it 1, 2, 1, 2. So then for number 3, you're going to do practice 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So you could pause this video and you could go grab a piece of paper, some crayons, some markers, whatever you want, and you can practice your touch points, and then I can show you how to use that to add. So all you need to do is touch on the touch points and add up the numbers. So 1 plus 1 is 1, 2. 1 plus 2 is 1, 2, 3. 0 plus 3 is 1, 2, 3. That was easy. 2 plus 2 is 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can go through and practice some of those problems using those touch points until you memorize where the touch points go. Then the next step, you can practice 4 and 5. So for 4, the touch points go 1, 2, 3, 4. And for 5, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you could write out some basic addition problems. I have some here, and you just need to touch and count on the numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You know 0 plus 4 is 4. You guys are so smart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, my 8 didn't go right. Alrighty, let me see what else I want to show you. So you can make yourself some problems and practice so you can start to memorize those facts, but using that TouchMath will help you to do that. And then I'm looking to see if I have the rest of, yep, here's the rest of the numbers. So remember, you're going to practice the 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And mine are just 2 dots because I'm really kind of just showing you where you touch with your pencil point on the number. And then 7 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have those. I just need to find 8 and 9. Here they are. You ready? So you would touch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the big part is remembering where the touch points go and then practicing touching with your pencil point on the numbers in the right places and counting on to add. So if you're wanting to practice your TouchMath, you can make up some addition problems with the numbers 0 through 9, and then you can practice drawing on the touch points. You could even use markers if you like to use markers or crayons or colored pencils, make it fun. But that's kind of getting you started with TouchMath and with addition. So I will see you guys at school.